Hi friends, this is Jatinder from TechWorm. Today Sony has launched its camera-centric phone, which is Sony XZS phone. This phone was launched in MWC 2017 in Barcelona, and today Sony has introduced this phone in Indian market. And if you can see, this phone is a beautifully designed phone, and it has a loop surface and comes with a special type of new form of aluminum, which Sony calls it uh, Elka Lido metal, which is very pleasing to the eye, and it has a beautiful surface. You can see here a Zyperia branding is given in the center of the back cover, and on the right hand side this is a power button come fingerprint sensor. This is a volume rocker, and this is for this switch has been given for capturing images. You can capture images with this also. And on the left hand side, this is a dual SIM slot, and on the bottom this is a USB type C charging slot, and on the top is a earphone jack. So if you can see that this phone is beautifully designed, and on the left hand side it's a rear camera. This is 19 megapixel camera with the flash. And the beauty of this phone is that this phone comes with the motion eye camera, which Sony claim is the first motion eye camera. This is a 19 megapixel motion eye camera. And the other feature of this motion eye camera is that this is the world's first super slow motion video. This has world's first super slow motion video recording capability at 960 frame per second. So this type of facility is available only in DSLR type of cameras, but Sony has provided this in smartphone, and this comes with other technique of predictive capture. About these three aspects I shall be discussing in details in my detailed review, because I have got the device today at the launch event. So I shall be testing this phone and shall come out with the detailed review very shortly. As far as its other features are concerned, this phone you can see has a 5.2-inch display, HD triluminous display of Sony with the resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. And this phone comes with the very other powerful features like 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which can be extended up to 256 GB via micro SD card. And this phone is driven by Snapdragon 820 processor, that is 64-bit processor with Adreno 530 GPU. And this is, as I told you, it's a dual SIM phone and runs on Android 7.11 Nougat OS. Another beautiful aspect of this phone is that this is water and dust resistant phone with IP65 IP68 certification. As far as its rear camera is concerned, this is 19 megapixel rear camera with the Exmos RS sensor and with the f2.0 lens. I will just show you. And it comes with various modes also. Here it goes, like AR effect, creative effect, and it has a 4K video capabilities also. Panorama mode is also there. And this comes with predictive and laser autofocus, 5-axis stabilization. That's another plus point of this phone. And it also has 4K video recording capability. And besides this, Sony has also taken care of front camera. For selfies, they have provided 13 megapixel front camera with the 22 millimeter wide angle with the f2.0 lens, and even the front camera has 1080p pixels resolution video recording. So they have taken care of lot of camera features in this phone, and this is basically a camera centric phone. And besides camera, Sony has put a lot of other powerful features in this phone. And this phone comes, friends, with 2200 mAh battery that comes with the Qenovo's adaptive charging technology and with quick charge 3.0. According to Sony, 60% of this battery can be charged in just 45 minutes. That I shall be testing in due course of time. And it comes with 4G LTE connectivity, NFC capability, USB Type-C port as I explained to you, and Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, GLONASS connectivity options. And this phone is priced 49,990 rupees. That means in 50,000 rupees you will get this phone. This phone will start selling from 11th April in India, and it comes in 3 colors: ice blue, black, and warm silver. In my hand is warm silver color, and the pre-booking of this phone will start from tomorrow. And you can also pre-book this phone on flipkart.com, and if you pre-book the phone from 4th to 10th of April, you will get a Bluetooth Sony speaker worth 5,000 rupees. So friends, this is my first impression. The phone looks quite good, and it has a beautiful design, looks very impressive, comes with a lot of features, and its camera features are excellent. I shall be testing all the camera features in due course of time. And thanks for watching, friends, this video. Keep on subscribing to my channel, and also read my blog techworm.com. Thanks once again, and bye.